As I walk out, somebody will be waiting for me, sent by the cops to stalk me. Gray, silver, maroon vehicle. Being watched on hidden camera by the whole neighborhood and stalked like this already. Oh, there it is. So when I walk up here, a gray, silver, maroon vehicle will show up stalking me for cops. Community stalking program. They have everybody involved. This whole neighborhood. Highline and Lansing. The whole neighborhood's gang stalking me. Watch this. I bet you this mailman right here will stalk me. Watch this. Whew. So watch, as I walk up here, people will be specifically waiting for me, sent by cops to stalk me. Gray, silver, maroon vehicles. Where's my gray, silver, maroon stalker? GPS stalker's going to show up. When I left this morning, this black truck you see pulling out pulled right by me. This black truck right here. When I left my house, this black truck rolled right by me. And then when I came home, this black truck pulled out. The same truck stalked me. See? Told you. Another gang stalker following me. Look how my neighbors come home at the exact time I do. Look at this. See what I'm saying? That dude is straight following me around, stalking me for cops. Unbelievable. Another car following me.